Soumya Bhagini, Shruyate va? Are you able to hear me? Soumya Harish Kumar.
Yes, sir. I'm able to hear you.
Okay. Will you recite today with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Shall I start?
No, I will tell you where I will do the teaching.
Okay.
नामलिंगानुशासनम नाम अमरकोशः यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्य नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रिये चामृताय च अथ नाट्यवर्गः 12 minutes नाट्यवर्गः we need to start from 466 I think. स्याच्चिन्ता स्मृतिराध्यानमुत्कण्ठोत्कलिके समे
1 second, sir.
466 in the screen. From there I have to teach. I will be teaching the full line today.
Oh, sir, actually I have not practiced this one.
Okay.
So I don't know how.
Okay, I will keep you. You can recite. You can mute yourself. I will teach. I will ask you to recite what you know. Okay. Now I will take somebody else. No problem. Next time I will give you a prior notice. Don't worry. Dhanyawada. Sorry for that.
No, sir. This week I could not practice. This new was.
So I will. No problem. I will. Narayana. एक निमिषम् अहं पूर्णपङ्क्तिं पाठयामि पूर्णपङ्क्तिं यथा अहं वदामि तथा वक्तव्यम् स्याच्चिन्ता स्मृतिराध्यानमुत्कण्ठोत्कलिके समे
स्याच्चिन्ता स्मृतिराध्यानमुत्कण्ठोत्कलिके समे स्याच्चिन्ता स्मृतिराध्यानमुत्कण्ठोत्कलिके समे
उत्साहोऽध्यवसायः स्यात् सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक्
उत्साहोऽध्यवसायः स्यात् सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक् उत्साहोऽध्यवसायः स्यात् सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक्
कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भोपधयश्चद्मकैतवे
कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भोपधयश्चद्मकैतवे कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भोपधयश्चद्मकैतवे
कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यं प्रमादो नवधानता
कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यं प्रमादो नवधानता कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यं प्रमादो नवधानता
कौतूहलं कौतुकं च कुतुकं च कुतूहलम्
कौतूहलं कौतुकं च कुतुकं च कुतूहलं कौतूहलं कौतुकं च कुतुकं च कुतूहलम्
स्त्रीणां विलासविभ्वोक विभ्रमाललितं तथा
स्त्रीणां विलासविभ्वोक विभ्रमाललितं तथा स्त्रीणां विलासविभ्वोक विभ्रमाललितं तथा
हेलालीलेत्यमीहा वाः क्रिया शृङ्गारभावजाः
हेलालीलेत्यमीहावाः क्रिया शृङ्गारभावजाः हेलालीलेत्यमीहावाः क्रिया शृङ्गारभावजाः
द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः क्रीडालीला च नर्म च
द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः क्रीडालीला च नर्म च द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः क्रीडालीला च नर्म च
व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च क्रीडा खेला च कूर्दनम्
व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च क्रीडा खेला च कूर्दनम् व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च क्रीडा खेला च कूर्दनम्
घर्मो निदाघः स्वेदः स्यात् प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता
घर्मो निदाघः स्वेदः स्यात् प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता घर्मो निदाघः स्वेदः स्यात् प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता
अवहित्थाकारगुप्तिः समौ संवेगसंभ्रमौ
अवहित्ताकारगुप्तिः समौ संवेगसंभ्रमौ अवहित्ताकारगुप्तिः समौ संवेगसंभ्रमौ
स्यादाच्छुरितकं हासः सोत्प्रासः समनाक्स्मितम्
स्यादाच्छुरितकं हासः सोत्प्रासः समनाक्स्मितम् स्यादाच्छुरितकं हासः सोत्प्रासः समनाक्स्मितम्
मध्यमस्याद्विहसितं रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम्
मध्यमस्याद्विहसितं रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम् मध्यमस्याद्विहसितं रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम्
क्रन्दितं रुदितं कृष्टं जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम्
क्रन्दितं हृदितं कृष्टं जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम् क्रन्दितं हृदितं कृष्टं जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम्
विप्रलम्भो विसंवादो रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे
विप्रलम्भो विसंवादो रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे विप्रलम्भो विसंवादो रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे
स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः एकनिमिषं स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः स्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि
स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापस्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापस्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि
तन्द्री प्रमीला भ्रकुटिर्भ्रुकुटिस्त्रियाम्
तन्द्री प्रमीला भ्रकुटिर्भ्रकुटिस्त्रियाम् तन्द्री प्रमीला भ्रकुटिर्भ्रकुटिस्त्रियाम्
अदृष्टि स्यादसौम्येक्ष्णि संसिद्धिः प्रकृति त्विमे
अदृष्टिः स्यात् सौम्येक्ष्णि संसिद्धिः प्रकृति त्विमे अदृष्टिः स्यात् सौम्येक्ष्णि संसिद्धिः प्रकृति त्विमे
स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः
स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः
कम्पोत्थक्षण उद्धर्षो मह उद्धव उत्सवः
कम्पोदक्षिण उद्धर्षो महा उत्सवः कम्पोदक्षिण उद्धर्षो महा उत्सवः
उत्तमम् very good
धन्यवादः महोदय
so as discussed in the class, first 3 days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the pada teaching will happen. Thursday and Friday, the pankti teaching, the full line teaching will happen. This is how we will do for 20 lines every week. Sometimes it will be 15 or 20, or within, it can range from 15 to 25 lines depending on where it starts and where it ends. That is how will be the coverage. And first 3 days will be pada. The last 2 days, that is Thursday and Friday, will be the pankti. This is how the teaching will be there. Because I want to standardize certain things so that everybody should not think that the same thing is going to teach 5 days a week. Therefore, it is going to be boring, etc., etc. They should not think. So there are differences you have to observe when we are doing pankti parayanam, how we tell. For example, angaharonga vikshepo vyanjaka bhinayau samao. This is how we will tell if you are telling this line in pankti parayanam. in the Pada Parayanam, what we will do is Angaharonga Vikshepaha Vyanjaka Bhinayau Samo. This is how we will be doing in Pada wise Parayanam when we break. So where we are breaking, how we are breaking, etc. we will do. Sir, then what about the words individually? I am just learning only this. So the individual words you will come to know when we are doing the meanings. See, ideally what we should do is I should spend hande, hanje, halahwane, nicham, chetim, sakim, prati, like that. Pada I have to teach, and then I have to teach 2 words, and then I have to teach pada, and then I have to go for the full pankti. That is the normal way of teaching. If we have pratyaksha pata, if you are doing a live class and we are there and we have time, lot of time we have, then we can do like that. But however, since most of you are now familiar with Devanagari script and can also read and either read or follow what I am telling, because of the relationship that has been built over in this class over so many 100+ classes, so I thought we can go at the pada level. Now we will not be doing split at, say for example, Raja, Bhattar, Kodevaha. This is how I will tell. Then what is going to say, okay, when I am telling the meaning, I will tell you the individual words. At that time you have to mark the individual words and the split if you don't know when we are discussing the meanings. This will be the methodology that we'll be following, because if we do meaning and then start doing the pada and then doing this one, it will take a lot of time and we will never be able to complete it even in 5 to 10 years. So we have to cover almost, I was counting the other day how many lines are there in Amarakosha, just for academic interest. I had written down somewhere. I just thought I should share with all of you. It is around 12,000, 11,600 lines I am getting. So almost 11,600 lines are there in Amarakosha. We have now, where are we now? We are in we are now in 485. We have completed 485. So what is the percentage? Who can tell me how much we have done? 485 out of 11,600, you can say. What will be the percentage? 485 divided by 12,000. Okay, let us take 12,000. 4%. Okay, this is the coverage. We have done 485 lines out of 12,000 lines that we have to cover. Okay, so imagine how much time this is going to take if you are going to do the full Amarakosha. I just wanted to give you an idea. 11,000, even if you do 11,000, same, little bit here and there. Okay, this is something which I wanted to share. Now we will go into few lines meanings, and then I will read out the names of those people who have registered, because I told some of the people they wanted to know whether my name is there or all those things. Okay, so now I will have to, we will go to this sheet. Yesterday till we were doing meanings till Raja Bhattar Raja Bhattar Kodevaha Tatsuta Bhartradarika. I think we were doing that. Next line is we will go for the meanings for 2-3 lines, and then I will read out the names. Devi Kritabhishekayam Itarasutu Bhattini. Now in Natya Shastra there are some words which I told, which are being described here. Natya Shastra need not mean only dance or music or instrument are related to that. It can also mean the overall Natya Shastra, anything that is which is through Drishya Madhyama, that is that which is seen and also heard. So those things also can form a part of Natya Shastra, which is the Bharata's Natya Shastra, which they call. Now here what they are telling is Devi Kritabhishekayam Itarasutu Bhattini. They defined some things. They defined who is a Rajaputra. What is Natyokta Raja is called Bhattaraka or Deva. Then Rajaputri is called Bhartradarika. Then next he is coming to Raja Mahishi. So Devi Kritabhisheka. So one who is Baddhapatta Ragni. So she is called Devi. If she is called Devi, means she is a Kritabhisheka. That means Pattabhisheka of the king and the queen has been done by seating them on the throne. Such a queen is termed as Devi, and it is in Srilinga. Itarasutu Bhattini. The Rajano Bahuvallabaha. This is the famous Vakya in those days. That means a king can have many wives, and in those days they were having many wives. So the other wives were called as Bhattini. Itarasutu Bhattini. So Bhattini is a Srilinga pada, Ikaranta. It means other wives. Abramanyam Avadhyoktau Rajashalastu Rashtriyaha. Abramanyam Avadhyoktau. So Abramanyam, what is the meaning of Abramanyam? So they are defining one term called Abramanyam here. They are saying Avadhyoktau. Avadhyoktau Abramanyam iti uchyate. Avadhya means one who cannot be killed, who should not be killed, who cannot be killed. He is called an so who is that? He is a Brahmana. So Avadhya Brahmanadehe yada doshah bhavati. So you can't kill a Brahmin. Brahmahatya dosha. It is one of the doshas, Mahapatakas. So Abrahman Avadhya Brahmanadi dosha uktihi. That dosha is called as Abramanyam. That mistake is called as Abramanyam. Abramanyam Avadhyoktau. So Abramanyam is in Napumsakalinga. Rajashalastu Rashtriyaha. So Rajashalaha Rajnyaha Shalaha. Now Shalaha is Sala, they say no in Hindi. Sala. So wife's brother. He is called Shala. Raja Shalasturashtriyaha. He is given in Natya Shastra. It seems that he is given the name Rashtriya. Raja Shalaha. Ragyaha Shalaha. Amba. So Rashtriyaha is the word. Raja Shala is the meaning. Abramanyam is the word. Avadhyoktau is the meaning. Is the meaning or the terminology which defines Abramanyam. So Avadhyoktau Natya Shastre Avadhyoktau ityukte Abramanyam iti uchyate. Rajashalaha Ragyaha Shalaha Rashtriyaha iti uchyate. Evam asmabhihi parikalpaniyam. Amba matatha bala syat. So Mata Mata Amba Matata balasyat. Okay. So Mata Matri Shabdaha Strilingaha, Amba Akaranta Strilingaha, Amba Shabdaha. Okay, actually it is Rajashalaha. So should we connect it to Raja is one thing. Just 1 minute. Give me a second. I think here there is some intention here. Okay. So Mata and Amba are the two words for Mata, that is Matayaha. There is a twist here. 1 minute. Okay, so Amba, Mata are synonyms for Mata, Matri Shabda, Amba. Atha is separator. So after the Atha you have Bala. Bala is Bala Syat Vasuraryastu Marishaha. So Bala Syad Vasuhu. So Vasuhu. So Vasu is Ukaranta Strilinga. Rajnyaha Bala Vasu iti uchyate, Kumari iti uchyate. Kumari ityasya artha. Vasuhu ityukte Kumari ityartha. Then we have two more words, which is Aryastu Marishaha. Arya and Marisha is a very graceful person, a respectful person. Aryastu Marishaha. He is a respectful person, a grateful person, a respected person in the society. Manyaha. So that kind of a person is called as Arya or Marisha. So this is Attika Bhagini Jeshtha Nishta Nirvahane Same. Jeshtha Bhagini Attika iti uchyate. Jeshtha Bhagini Attika for elder sister. Attika is the name given here. Nirvahanam. Nishta Nirvahane Same. So Nishtha Nirvahanam is probably Katha Samapti. So suppose the story ends, Natya Shastra or Nataka, a story ends. When it ends, it is called as Nishtha and Nirvahana. Nishtha is Strilinga, Nirvahanam is Napumsakalinga. Okay, till here we will see. From Monday we will see next class. So any doubts and questions on these what we learned today, you can ask. Okay, Pratibha Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya. I just wanted to share something. In Abhignana Shakuntalam, there is Vidushaka. So when he is attacked, he shouts Abrahmanyam, Abrahmanyam. So I think it means don't kill me, don't kill me. Also, it may mean that.
Yes, it may mean that.
Okay, just wanted to share that. That's all.
Avashyam. Dhanyawad. Ha. Sriram Karunagaran, you have any question? Sriram Karunagaran.
Namaskaram Mahodaya. मम पुस्तके तत्र भ्रकुंसश्च तस्मात् पूर्वं तौर्यर्त्रिकं नृत्यगीतं वाद्यं नाट्यम् इदं द्वयम् इति लिखितम् अस्ति.
इदं द्वयं वा त्रयं वा? त्रयम् इति भवितव्यं किल? वाद्यं नाट्यं नृत्यं
इदं द्वयम् इति लिखितम् अस्ति.
इदं द्वयं वा? Which line you said? Brakumsascha burkumsascha.
त्रयम् इति
त्रयम् इत्येव भवितव्यं.
तस्मात् पूर्वम् अस्ति.
त्रयम् इत्येव भवितव्यम् इति भाति.
मम पुस्तके तदा दोषः स्यात्.
हासो हास्यं च बीभत्सं विकृतं त्रिष्विधं द्वयम् अस्ति. So you are talking about which line? I didn't get the line number actually.
अस्तु महोदय. ताण्डवं नटनं नाट्यं प्रायः I think 20th line from Natyavarga. 20th line beginning of Natyavarga.
20th. Okay.
Or 20th line of Natyavarga.
That 20th line Tauryatrikam. Tauryatrikam is always Trayam only. It is Trayam only. It is not Dvayam. Maybe printing mistake.
My question was, all these words are not used in normal usage. It is only in dramas and kavyas.
Which one?
All these words.
Which one you are asking?
Like Bhagini, Jeshta.
No, not like that. Yeah. See, it is. He is telling this is specifically used in Natya Shastra. It can be used elsewhere also. We can use it elsewhere also. But in that domain, he is giving. That's all. We can use this. For example, Bhagini Patir Avuttaha. Avuttaha is the word we use for Bhagini Patihi. Even in our daily conversation. So Bhartridharika only we use tell for Rajaputra and Rajaputri. So the same words we are using, but specifically in Natya Shastra books you find this terminology. That is what they want to clarify by putting this here. Why are they putting this here? In Natya Shastra these terminologies are used, that they want to clarify, which is why they are giving here.
Astu Mahodaya. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah. So Ananta Krishna Mahodaya, if you will not, if I mute you, you will not be able to talk. But I am seeing your questions. Shalaha Patnyaha Brata, very good. Rashtriyaha, you are saying a king's brother-in-law. Yes, Shalaha. Raja Shalaha. Shalaha, Shalaha. No, Shalaha only. As per Amarakosha, it is Shah only. So that is the question you have written. Shah. Raja Shyalaha, not it is Raja Syala. So Ananta Krishna Mahodaya is asking whether it should be Syala or Shyala. The dictionary gives both as correct. So can we have both? But Amarakosha gives Raja Shyala. Elsewhere in Manushya Varga it may give as Syala. We will see that. So was okay. That I think all your questions are answered. Now we will go to Venkatraghavan Mahodaya, what is your question, sir?
Namaskara. Abramanyam avojyokta Rajashyalasthu Rashtriyasyaam panktya Abramanyasya sambandha katham agacchati Rajyah padani Devyah padani agacchati Rajyah putrasya nama putryaha nama ete sarvam सर्वाणि आगतानि परन्तु अब्रह्मण्यं looks out of place.
So yeah, even I was thinking about this Abramanyam word. It looks out of place, but as Pratibha Bhagini already pointed out, in most of the Natakas we get this word. So Satra Abram, so Avadya Brahm, so what is my thinking, I'll tell you. Avadya Brahmanadehe doshoktihi. So if you should, if any dosha occurs, okay, we call it as Abramanyam. Now the dosha can be to the extent of Brahmahatya, or it can be a small dosha, so small Vak dosha. So in small Vak doshas also, in Natakas we find Abramanyam, like what she pointed out. So that is why it is given here. By why it has to come here, in between Devi and Rajashyala, why it has to come? That is a question we are unable to answer.
I mean, he's using a pillar and possible. Okay.
I will also seek some experts' help in this.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for that question, sir. It's a very nice question. Bharatrao Mahodaya.
ಪಂಚತಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಂ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನರ್ಥ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಅನರ್ಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಅನರ್ಥ ಅಥವಾ ದೋಷ, something which should not have happened. If it has happened, they say Abramanyam.
Correct.
Yes, you are right. So Bharat Rao, who is there in our class, he has published the entire Panchatantra. I just have to introduce him. He has published the entire Panchatantra in Moola in Kannada, Bhasha, and he is making the children, many children, recite the Panchatantra story in Sanskritam, and he is putting all these original stories and connecting the stories one by one in Sanskritam, and he is connecting the stories in YouTube. So Bharat Rao, who is there in our class, is doing such a wonderful work. It's a very, very noble work. He has published the book, and he has done this single-handedly. So Shlaganiyaha Purusha. So Bharat Rao, when he says something from Panchatantra is there, it is an authority. He is an authority on Panchatantra. Thank you, Dhanyavada Mahodaya, for your sharing this. Dhanyavada. So we are fortunate to have such good people in our class. So there are many good people, but Bharat Rao, I just thought I should tell, the Prasangavashat I should tell about him. Now we have Ashok Mahodaya. Ashok Mahodaya, you have any question? I want to read out the names who have given the names for this one also. Ashok Mahodaya. Ashok Mahodaya, can you unmute yourself, please? Not unmuting. Okay. Okay. Rupa Sudha Bhagini. Rupa Sudha Bhagini, you have any questions? Edavadhu kelvi irka? Rupa Sudha. Again, she did not lift. Sri Hari, Sri Lalita, you have any question?
Ram sir.
Ram.
Swargavargam test ku prepare பண்ணிருந்தா சார். 100 ல இருந்து
Okay.
சொல்றேன், நான் நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
100 lines இல்ல, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் படிக்கணும்ப்பா. இன்னும் ஒரு மாசம் இருக்கு, கொஞ்சம் படிச்சிரும். So you have 160 lines is there in Swargavarga. That full 160 lines you have to study. You still have 3 weeks. 3 weeks you have time. So I think.
Sir?
Okay. You have 3 weeks to study.
சார் இன்னைக்கு நான் படிச்சு பார்த்தேன், எனக்கு சுத்தம் வரல. அது சார் கிட்ட கேட்டுக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு. சார் ஒரு 10வது சொல்றடா. என்ன ரொம்ப பண்றேன்.
10வதுனாக்கா I didn't புரியல.
ஒரு 10 ஸ்லோகமா சொல்லுங்க சார்.
யாவது ஸ்வர்கவர்காலயா?
100ல இருந்து 10 ஸ்லோகம்.
Okay, I will make people revise. From Monday I will make people revise so you can learn. Okay.
சரி சார்.
We will do revision. We will do revision of Swargavarga from Monday. Okay.
சரி சார். Thank you. Ram.
Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Now I will read out the names, people who have given the names for Amarakosha. Jana Iyer. I think you know what test you have given. I am not going to read out that. I will just read the names. Srinidhi, Anuradha, Achyut, Dr. Savita Sajjan, Ananta Krishna, Mahodaya, Shrikriti, Sharada, Shrikar, Girija Murali, Shrikriti, Shrikar again 2 times they have registered, Amit Tripathi, Geetika, Bharat Rao, Annapurna Umadevi, Meenakshi Vaikalathur, Subramanyam GV, D. Jaya, Chanchal Arg, Venkateswaran Gopala, Veni Madhavi, Varun Aditya, Neelima Nanduri, BNS Vaishnavi, BNS Kalyani, Prasanna Venkatesh, Rupa Sudha, Reddy Sankalp Ram, Usha Venkateswaran, Saurabh Gupta, Umesh Varulekar, Bharat Rao, Revati Venkatraman, B. Arun Kumar Tangavel, Vasudha, Sachin, Subramanyeshwara Rao, which is Rao Govind, Meenakshi Vaikalathur, Ramakrishnan Srinivasan, Venkateswaran Gopala, Akhilesh Kattamari, Subramanyam GV, Radhika Lakshmi Narayan. So Vipaschit Chaitanya. Then you have Raja Raman, Venkatragavan, Udita, Vishalakshi, Venu, Shriya, Soumya H, Pratibha Sarangapani, Rama Ramachandran, Lasya, Ishu, Shyamala, Balasubramaniam, Indira, Shyamala Ramachandran, Ashok Mahodaya, Vishwaksena Polisetti, Vibhu Varsim, Amoksha Shidhar. So Ekanimisham, Vibhu, that spelling has not come. Okay. Amok Sashidhar, Vishwaksena, Chandana, G. Ratnashri, Sriram Karunakaran, Panchanadan, Daksha, Madhavi, Sri Lalita Sriram, Reddy, Ankur Shashidhar, Meenakshi Sham, Shweta Akila, Sushila. So 79 people have registered for Amarakosha test. So very, very happy. So we will announce the dates very shortly. If somebody's name is not there, please, Surya Narayan Mahodaya, I think your name is.
I registered for both, sir. Amarakosha, Astadhyaya,
it is there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Chitra Bhagini, has she not registered?
Your name is there, sir.
Chitra Bhagini.
Chitra Bhagini has not registered for both.
I will check with
so
her.
Maybe she is busy or
today is last day. I will just check with her and find it.
Okay.
Dhanyavada.
You text her and find out if she is unable to register. If she is unable to register, you register on her behalf.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I seek your blessings in clearing these both the exams.
This is just a small journey, Mahodaya. Definitely you are all elderly people.
We are getting the blessings, sir.
No problem.
Thank
Bhagavan
you,
will definitely help you in this great Kainkariya that you are doing. Jaladhar Vyas, you have a question? Jaladhar Mahodaya? Jaladhar Mahodaya, Vyas Mahodaya?
Jai Shri Krishna, can you hear me?
Have you registered? I didn't see. I didn't see your name, sir.
I just registered before the class, so I hope you can see it.
Oh. Okay. What I did is I took the Excel sheet. I converted that to Excel and took it around 5:30. That is before the class. I took this one. Therefore, I think it must not have come into the database. I will check it.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavada. Sri Lalita, Sriram, Ashok, I think all over. Ananta Krishna Mahodaya, okay, I discussed these questions. Ashok Mahodaya, again, I'm trying to unmute you. Can you speak, sir? You have any questions, Ashok Mahodaya? Okay. Ramakrishnan Srinivasan, you have any questions, sir? Ramakrishnan, sir?
Hello, sir.
Ashok Mahodaya. Please tell, sir.
See, sir, in my book,
your name is
Nishtha Nirvana is given as meaning as the catastrophe. Nishtha Nirvana.
Nirvana or Nirvahana it is?
Nirvana and Nishtha both have catastrophes.
Okay, I will see that, sir.
And second thing is, I want the phone number for Mr. Bharat because I want to speak to him. Regarding he's interested in Panchatantra, I am also interested. So I want to speak to him, sir.
You want to speak to him? Bharat Rao Mahodaya. So I will send, I have your email, I have Bharat's email. I will connect you both through an email. Afterwards, you can exchange numbers and contact each other.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Padmamani Kola.
Hari Om Mahodaya. Actually, I have also registered for the test, but I couldn't find the name in the list.
What is your name?
It's REDDY is the and Padmamani, PADMAMANI.
Yeah, it is there. Reddy Padmamani, it is there.
Yeah,
it is
there.
Okay. Padmaraj77@gmail.com. It is there. Sorry if I missed it. Dhanyawada. Swasti Prajabhyah Paripalayantam. So from Monday we'll do practice and we will also go to the new finish the meanings of Natya Varga. So I won't be starting another Varga, I think, because we have to finish the meanings of Natya Varga first. And also we have to see if we can do some exercises of the other Vargas. See, while there will be practice sessions also going on, the new lesson will not stop. Just because we are doing the test, I cannot stop the new lessons, because 3 weeks, if I stop the new lessons, then we will be delayed by 3 weeks. So already I told you we are only 480 out of 11,000 lines, I think. Let us see how much time it will take to complete this number of lines. I was calculating that. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.